way to salvation. But the more you read the Bible, you realize we don't behave our way to salvation. We believe our way to salvation. And it is He that works in us to will and to do the will of God. Uma sesibuye kuqala sisebenze afake imfuno zakhe kithi. This is a beautiful journey, bazalwane. Yabona, I'm really convinced ukuthi asikho isizathu sokungakholwa uJesu. I mean, mhlambe abantu abangakholwa uJesu, we've not done justice in presenting uJesu ngendlela enhle kuye. He is too good to be true. Asikho isizathu. There is no rational reason why someone would not choose to believe in Jesus Christ. Now, if we are going to be better preachers of the Word of God, we must be students of the Word of God, so that we present Christ as the only best solution that is completely unmatched. May the good Lord richly bless you.